Hey my lovelies, welcome back to day 3 of Bakemas 2021 and today we are going to make chocolate and coconut brownies. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius and then over a pan of simmering water, place your heat-proof glass bowl and into that add semi-sweet chocolate. I've taken 100 grams of semi-sweet chocolate here. I'm also going to add some butter into this. So here goes the butter. And now I'm going to melt these. Keep stirring occasionally until this is smooth. Remove the pan from heat, but keep the bowl over the water. Just stir a little and now add into this some instant coffee powder and sugar and just mix this with a wire whisk. Once this is all mixed properly, remove the bowl from the pan. Now just whisk it so that it's somehow cooled, and once it's cool I'm going to add the eggs. So I'm going to add 3 eggs into this, one at a time. So add 1 egg and then mix, and then again add the second egg and continue mixing. And here goes the last third egg. Now mix this properly until well combined. So now is the time to add some cocoa powder and vanilla extract. Now just keep mixing. Now is the time to add our flour. Again give it a mix. Finally our batter is ready. And now here is my 8 by 8 inch square pan, and I'm going to grease this with some butter. Be very cautious while greasing this because we need all the corners to be greased properly so that it's easy for us to take the brownies out. And now I'm going to line this pan with some butter paper, keeping some part of the paper outside the pan so that it's easy for me to hold the brownies while taking them out. I've also greased the butter paper, and now just pour the batter into the prepared pan. And now this is going to go in the oven, and I'm going to bake this for about 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted at the center comes out with few crumbs. So just level it and it's ready to go in the oven. So in the oven for about 30 minutes. So here are our ready brownies. So I'm going to let it cool completely before I come to the second layer. So now for the second layer I'm taking some coconut flakes. These are unsweetened coconut flakes, and into this I'm going to add some condensed milk. Just mix this properly until well combined. Now I'm going to spread this mixture evenly over the top of the brownies. Just even this. So here it is. Now I'm going to keep this aside and I'm going to prepare my last layer for these brownies, which is chocolate ganache. So here is my cream, and into this I'm adding some semi-sweet chocolate, and now I'm going to heat this in the microwave. So this is after 30-second interval 3 times. So I'm just going to mix this until it is all mixed properly and the chocolate is properly melted. Okay, the ganache is ready now. Now we are going to prepare the last layer of the brownies. Now what happened here is, I'm really sorry, one of the video clip got deleted somehow. So what I did in that clip was, I poured the ganache over the coconut layer of the brownies and I just spread it evenly, and then I kept it in the fridge for about 1 to 2 hours. You can also keep it for overnight and then you can cut the slices the next day. So I hope I'm able to make you understand what I did in the last layer. So here is the final product after keeping it for 2 hours in the fridge, and I'm just taking this out, and now I'm going to slice this and show you how they're going to look. So let me just slice it. Okay, see, can you see the 3 layers? The brownie, the coconut and the ganache. So this is the final product. Do try this recipe this Christmas. Guests, your family, and especially the kids, they are going to love it because it has very caramelized and chocolatey flavor, both coming out in one product. That is amazing. See how lovely they are looking. So let me just taste it. Amazing. So I hope you like this recipe. If you like it, do not forget to press the like button, and if you are new to my channel and you like my recipes, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and do press the bell icon so that whenever I post a video you get a notification. So until we meet again, take good care of yourself. Happy holidays and happy baking.